Okay, what we have here is a circa late 1980s pool, and I've had problems with the deck gutter here, filling up with dirt and sediment over the years, probably 30 years or so, not more. And basically when it rains you can get a build up of water. You can try power washing from the top through the slits, but it doesn't really work. You're just shoveling stuff further down and you end up, with a blockage. So I was looking online for tips on how to do this, googling, and there's not a lot out there, other than that you can pay a drain company come out. They charge about £2 for this. You can see our length up there, and we got more around the side of the house. Apparently they like to rip it up and start over and charge you £2. So I was trying to find a better way of doing it, and I did find a little gadget online called Deck Janitor, and basically it's two bits of plastic which they sell you, which look like this, and you clip it into here like that, and they charge $28 for two plus postage. So I reckon I need about 6 of them, so obviously that's quite a lot of money just to clean your pool gutters for a little bit of plastic. So I was trying to come up with different ideas, and I have come up with a cheap solution that I think costs probably $15. So over here we have what I've been cutting to make the new covers that go over the hole you cut in the gutter. I've already used this, as you can see. It's got an NDS 80015 6-foot micro channel with couplings. I got this from Lowe's. I can't remember how much it was. I think it was about $15. And what I've been doing is cutting out sections. Here's obviously a piece that's left, and you can see I've been cutting out sections here like that. And what I did to do that is I used a rotary tool or Dremel, and I found the easiest way was to cut along here like that, flip it, then cut the other side, and when you're done, cut there. I've got various lengths. This one is 8 inches, but I think 6 inches or even under might be a little bit better. You can see quite a few here already made, all ready to go. I'm going to attach them with, I'm going to slightly countersink and put 2 stainless steel screws in. Stainless steel because they won't rust. And then what you do, once you've made your little cover, is you have to obviously cut a section out. Make sure you get that right, that when you screw in the cover it will fit over this. And then what I did, I had an old power washer hose, which I no longer use, but it's perfect for this. And I then put that in there, and this was absolutely full with about 2 inches of silt and sand. You can see some of it here, but it was chock-a-block, full up. And I then just push this down in there like that, and it slots in the channel there. And I just push it all the way along like that with the power washer running like that, and it flushed it all out. As you can see, there was lots of it there. I scooped it up. I will then wait until it dries a bit, or maybe use the shop vac to clean the rest of it up. So I've saved myself quite a lot of money by doing it that way, and it takes probably, to cut out the grills, covers, 20 minutes. And what I also used to finish them off, I used a little sanding wheel on the rotary tool to sand them flush. They really did. Just took about 20 minutes to make these. That's it. Hope it helps someone.